Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by pausing deliberately, count to 5 and breathe to interrupt the automatic loop. Once done, name the feeling aloud. This reduces intensity and creates distance. Make sure to scan your body for tension hotspots so you have concrete signals to monitor next time. Practice this in low-stakes moments until the pause becomes automatic. That foundation makes subsequent steps practical rather than theoretical. This initial muscle, pause, label, scan turns impulsive reactions into manageable data you can work with. You now learn tools that change how you respond. Start with 4-4-8 breathing to downregulate adrenaline. Practice until it feels natural. Once calmer, apply a simple rule. Wait 1 minute or one message before answering, which buys perspective. Then reframe the trigger by asking 2 quick questions. What am I assuming, and what else could this mean? Combining breath, a timing rule, and cognitive reframe shifts reactions into chosen responses, so behavior aligns with intent rather than impulse. You finish by anchoring the habit. Develop a short routine, breath, label, reframe, decide, and rehearse it daily until automatic. Once established, log 3 successes and 1 setback each week to reinforce learning and adjust tactics. Make sure to celebrate small wins so motivation stays high. If the system fails and you go reactive, use the troubleshooting tip. Immediately remove yourself for 10 to 15 minutes, apply grounding techniques, then return with curiosity rather than shame to repair the situation.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.